Hey there, so I wanted to share with you my new favorite ab exercise that I kind of almost discovered by accident by trying to figure out how can we use the straps when they're best against a wall, or like if you're hanging a suspension trainer from a door. Now, ideally, whenever setting up a suspension trainer, I almost always will say it's far better to hang it from some sort of an overhead support, like a pull-up bar or a tree branch, where you can get a full swing through. This way you've got way more adjustability and versatility, and you're not going to be limited by a wall or a door on where you can move your arms, particularly in abdominal exercises. You can come out as far as you like, position your body at a number of angles, and really dial in that resistance to be exactly what you need for an effective workout. But when we are against a wall or some sort of a surface, we can't pass through it, which sets us up for a bit of disadvantage and restriction what we can do, but it also prevents you from making the exercise easier during this classic ab exercise. So the way this works is through the pendulum resistance. The further we come away from the wall, the more resistance we're going to have pulling against our body. So to set up, you start off with your knees bent and you're in a hollow body hold. You have a posterior tilt to your pelvis. And right now I have all of my weight on my feet, so there's nothing on my hands. To apply the resistance, you're just gonna lean forward onto the straps. And the straps are trying to pull me towards the wall, but I'm using my abs to prevent that from happening. So right now, the more weight I lean onto the straps, the more my abs are working. And to take yourself out of the exercise, you just put a foot down and step out of it. If you want to make it harder still, you could just back up a little bit, and that's going to make it even more difficult. Holding for time, make sure your shoulders are away from your ears, breathing, and then step on out. It's a really fun exercise to experiment with. Let me know if you have any comments or questions down below in the comment section. Check out these videos for more. Be fit, live free.